Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. VSS Sensex spot closed at 82,331, gain of 2,876 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 25,020, gain of 1,012 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 55,355, gain of 1,760 points. Market breadth was positive. BSE 500 closed at 35,958, it gain of 1,852 points. Nifty 500 closed at 22,871 with gain of 1,195 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty Reality Index which closed at 913 points with gain of 10.78%. There was a no loser throughout the week. Now let's look at Nifty chart. The Nifty jumped 4.2% this week. It is the biggest gain since mid-April, forming a strong bullish candle on a weekly chart, showing continued strength. On May 16, the Nifty ended slightly lower in a range-bound session, as a bull pause after a strong previous day. The index remained bullish, trading above key moving averages and near the upper Bollinger Band. Momentum indicator supports the uptrend, with the RSI at 65.29 above 60 and the MACD showing a positive crossover on the daily chart. The Nifty could climb to 25,300 and then 25,500 as a major resistance. Support lies at 24,800 followed by 24,500 with a mild drop below this level will trigger a selling pressure. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 6.98% and price increased to 4.21% which suggested long build-up. Nifty 22 May 2020 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 26,000 strike with the open interest of 1,64,861 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 25,000 strike with the open interest of 86,064 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 25,500 strike with the addition of 50,591 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 25,000 strike with the addition of 32,750 lots. The option data in chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross about 25,100 level, then it can move towards 25,250 to 25,400 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 24,950 levels, then it can go down towards 24,800 to 24,550 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty stayed range bound for the fifth week, facing a strong resistance at 55,500. A clear breakout above this level could drive the index towards 56,000 to 56,100. The index rose 3.3% during the week but traded within a Thursday range, closing flat on Friday at 55,355. It formed a small bullish candle with a minor shadow signaling consolidation. The high of previous candle at 55,491 is a now key resistance. Now let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased with 2.24%, price increased to 3.28% which suggested long build-up. Bank Nifty 29th May 2020 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 56,000 strike with the open interest of 40,190 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 55,000 strike with the open interest of 65,181 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 55,500 strike with the addition of 2,399 lots. And max open interest change happened on PE side was seen at 53,500 strike with the addition of 2,831 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 55,500 levels, then it can move towards 56,100 to 56,500 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 54,700 levels, then index can go down towards 54,000 to 53,800 levels.